Good morning. Welcome to session 6 of the World Manufacturing Forum, Global Standards for Products and Manufacturing. My name is Don Hemmelgarn. I'm a group president with International Technogroup Incorporated, or ITI, based in the United States. My pleasure to chair this panel session this morning. I think we're going to have a very interesting session. Just a few words to open up before introducing our speakers. You know, yesterday we heard I thought a very good presentation in the opening presentation by Katie George from McKinsey. And she talked about some of the trends driving manufacturing, and one of the key ones being global innovation for local markets, and how that leads manufacturing enterprises and their supply chains to be increasingly global and increasingly connected. And she also talked about this industrial internet and the potential for 50 billion machines around the world to be connected in this industrial internet. So all of this connectedness really drives the importance of international standards, and it makes international standards more and more important to our manufacturing companies. But at the same time, in almost every session yesterday, we heard about fast-changing technologies, how new technologies are going to impact manufacturing, and how quickly these technologies are changing. We heard about manufacturing on demand, additive manufacturing, cloud services for manufacturing, big data in manufacturing, and the list goes on of the trends and new technologies that are going to impact our manufacturing future. So this raises, I think, a couple of important questions related to standards and their impact on manufacturing. The first is, how will international standards keep pace with all of this changing technology? And the second, and maybe even more important, is how will our companies keep pace with all of this new technology and the evolving standards? So I hope that in our session today we're going to address these topics. We have 3 speakers in our session that will approach these topics from 3 quite different perspectives. Jordan Brandt from Autodesk, from a technology provider's perspective. Manuel Montoya from the regional automotive manufacturing cluster perspective in Mexico. And Howard Mason with BAE Systems from a global aerospace and defense manufacturer's perspective. So I think we'll get 3 very different views on this topic of standards and how they impact manufacturing.